Hi friends, 15 easy English sentences with which you can start learning English very easily. I have brought you 15 such sentences down that will help you speak English easily. If you want to learn English, then this video is only for you. So don't miss any part of this video by watching the video till the end. So let's start the video. What's the weather like today? आज मौसम कैसा है? What's the weather like today? Do you want anything from the store? क्या आप स्टोर से कुछ चाहते हैं? Do you want anything from the store? I am running late. मुझे देर हो रही है. I am running late. Why didn't you come to the party yesterday? तुम कल पार्टी में क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come to the party yesterday? I am very hungry since morning. मुझे सुबह से बहुत भूख लगी है. I am very hungry since morning. You can please pass me the salt. क्या आप मुझे नमक दे सकते हैं? You can please pass me the salt. I'll be there in 5 minutes. मैं 5 मिनट में वहाँ पहुँच जाऊँगा. I'll be there in 5 minutes. What's for dinner? रात के खाने के लिए क्या है? What's for dinner? Have a good day. आपका दिन अच्छा गुजरे. Have a good day. I am sorry for the inconvenience. मैं तकलीफ के लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. I am sorry for the inconvenience. Where are my keys? मेरी चाबियाँ कहाँ है? Where are my keys? Did you finish your homework? क्या आपने अपना होमवर्क मुकम्मल कर लिया? Did you finish your homework? Let's grab a coffee sometime. चलो कभी कॉफ़ी पी ले. Let's grab a coffee sometime. I'll call you back later. मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करूँगा. I'll call you back later. It's nice to see you. तुम्हें देख के अच्छा लगा. It's nice to see you.